So this is the welcome screen of our application. Now let us try to log in as a patient. Firstly, we need to enter our phone number. Then click on send OTP button. (8647443) is our OTP. Then click on verify button. Whenever user tries to log in for the first time, he needs to fill up this user details form. Enter your name, Aadhaar number, email, state and city, and click on the arrow button. So this is the home screen of our application. So let's try to take a look at all the features one by one. Let's start from diagnose disease feature. Here the user needs to select the affected organ. Let us go for eyes. So this is the list of symptoms related to eyes. Let us select cloudy vision, burning and itchiness. Then click on predict button. So these are the disease with their probabilities. Let us click on home. Now let's try to see how skin disease prediction works. Here the user needs to select an image. So these are the prediction results with their probabilities. Now let us see how we can register for a health camp. These are the available health camps. Let us try to register for this health camp which says hygiene awareness camp. Click on register, then click on confirm, and we have registered successfully. Now let us try to view our health camp registration. So this is the health camp which we have registered few seconds ago, and by clicking this attend online button we will be redirected to the Zoom application if the health camp is online, and if it's offline then we will be redirected to Google Maps. By clicking confirm we can attend the health camp. Now let us try to book our first appointment. These are the available options. Here doctor name, date, start time and end time is given. Let us book this one. Click on confirm and our appointment is booked successfully. Let us try to view our upcoming appointments. So this is the details of our appointment that we booked just now. So these were the basic features. From here we can also view our profile. These are our profile details which we initially entered during the user details form. From here we can also change our app language. Let's try Hindi, Gujarati, and the default one English. Also you can access the chatbot from here. So these are the suggested keywords. Let us try for acne. So the chatbot gives information about acne, how it is caused, and prevention remedies and other home remedies and methods. We also have a hospitals near me button. By clicking on this button we can view hospitals around our current location. These are the list of hospitals. So we saw all the features available on the patient side of our app. We saw the disease diagnosis, skin disease prediction, and health cam and other appointment related features.
So now let's go through the doctor panel. Doctor can access his panel by clicking the option Doctor from here. So our app will verify doctor through his mobile number and OTP. So we will be asking doctor his mobile number, and then doctor will we verify if the OTP is correct. This will take few seconds for OTP generation, and it will be sent by SMS. So OTP here is 862947, and once it will be verified, he will be redirected to the doctor panel. So this is the basic view of the doctor panel, where a doctor can schedule his own slot so that a new patient can book the slots. He can create a healthcare. He can also view the upcoming appointments and also the upcoming health camps. Let's start by creating a new appointment. So doctor can click on the schedule your slot option. So where he can add the date, the start time, end time, and total number of seats. So clicking the date, the calendar will open. So from where he can doctor can select the date. So let's keep it a 4th of April. The start time. So by moving these arrows one after the doctor can schedule the start time and the end time. Similarly, the end time. Let's keep it 8 p.m. Okay, and total seats. Let's keep it 15. Create appointment. So this will create an appointment. So whenever doctor creates an appointment, patient can book the appointment. So under view upcoming appointments, doctor will able to see all the appointments that he has created. Further, by clicking view bookings, he will see the patients who has booked this his appointment. Currently, no patient has booked the appointment, so no details is shown here. So this appointment created is of 4th April from time 8 from time 16, that is 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So let's say if the doctor tries to create the appointment in the same slot by mistake, then our app will notify the doctor. So it is of 4th April, okay, and time is, let's say it was from, let's keep it from 17 to, let's say, 22. Okay, let's keep it somewhere. So uh, this is the clashing slot because doctor already has an appointment in the same slot. So if we try to create the same appointment, our app will tell the doctor that you already have an appointment booked. And let's say if the doctor changes the time slot from uh, 21, 22, then his appointment will be successfully created. So now two appointments are created and there is no clashing of any slots. So this is how our app is smartly coded, that it tells the doctor that you have a clashing appointment at the same time. In some similar way, doctor can also create the health camp. So by clicking on this option, create health camp, he will be redirected to a screen where he have to enter the bootcamp details. So starting with the date, let's keep it 15th of April. Start time, let's keep it in the morning. End time. So a health camp is one such feature where that doctor can organize, through which he can give information about new hygiene practices and also share tips or the home remedies to cure some of the common diseases. So it will be beneficial to the people living in rural areas. Further, a doctor can keep the event both online and offline. So if the event is online, then he has to add a link of the Zoom. So let me add any link here. Not- And yes, he can also uh, add the description of the health camp. Let's say it's a hygiene awareness camp. Okay, and by clicking create healthcare bootcamp, the bootcamp will be created, and the same bootcamp it will be visible on the patient screen where patient can register through this application. So on clicking View Healthcare, a doctor can view the details that he has added along with the description, the time, and the slots. Further, the doctor can also view the patient who has registered by clicking on View Bookings. So these are the basic features that we have allocated to the doctor, through which he can create the appointment as well as see the patient who has booked his appointment. And further, he can also create the healthcare bootcamp for the awareness purposes for the people living in rural areas. So through this button, the doctor can log out from his panel. On logout, he will again redirect it to the welcome screen.
So we are back to the welcome screen of our app. Let us try to log in as an admin this time. Click on send OTP. 879569 is our OTP. Let's click on verify. This is the admin homepage of our application. From here we can view doctor information. Also we can delete doctors by clicking on confirm. As you can see, the doctor is deleted. Also we can view patient's information from here. We can also delete them. Click on confirm and the patient is deleted. We can also see disease prediction result based on the location and the disease. Let's click on Ahmedabad and show results. As you can see, these are the results of analysis. Also we can see the results based on various diseases. We can select any of the disease. Let's select cataract, show results. As you can see, these are the analysis results. So these were the features on admin side of our application.